you please? Bruh.
Something gonna turn something into a gardener today, huh? Some beautiful colors she got here going for her yard. But she's calling me over there.
Did you know if your home was built before 1978?
It's beautiful in here though, I must admit. But my goodness, man.
So if you think you're working
one day trucking, next day contractor.
take care. Visit the EPA.
Now the day's in, I'm gonna be out there with my shovel.
How doers get more done.
Straight garden man today. Hey, you done turned something into Pedro the gardener today. Huh? You gonna put your boots and gloves on?
Nope.
See, remember how you bought that little knee thing? You wanna snatch them up or what? It's all this. Get some free 99 after all of this. Free 99 after all this mud.
Really, nigga?
Huh?
I said, oh, Lord.
Back here trying to break this new smoker in, guys. I've never used a smoker with these little pellets or whatnot. I never really knew what the pellets was. Quite naturally, I should have known that they were wood. But I got like a mix here of maple, cherry, and hickory by Traeger. You sell these things at Home Depot. Kind of expensive for a grill. Normally I just get on the old trusty barrels, but we got so many ribs to cook today and chicken. I want to go ahead and just do some smoke. Kind of cook with something you can just kind of plug and play. It is electrical. Basically it's got like an auger here that turns. Right now I'm just getting the grill seasoned before we get the slapping meat on there. So I'm at the stage basically where I'm waiting on to see a couple wood pallets drop down into that hole right there. Shut it off. Rub some oil on the cooking grates and let the smoke just burn you know, whatever that don't need to be on the grates off. So yeah, wife's having a family reunion. A lot of her family done flew in from Louisiana, Virginia, Florida, all over the country. So we've been hanging out for about 3 days. They over at the beach actually right now. Kind of decided to not go because they're gonna be packing up and leaving the beach in about 3 hours. I had to stay here and wait for the guy to deliver that back there, a little portable potty. You got about 40 or 50 people who just don't like having all that heavy use on the toilet in the house. So I don't know where the wood pellets are at. I figured they would be falling in there by now. Okay, I see the little thing turning. Yeah, let me go ahead and get this thing set up and get some smoke running across the grill. Get this bad boy broken in. I kind of like the fact that you don't got to just sit out here and be babysitting the meat. You can actually adjust the temperature, as you can see, from anywhere from 180 degrees up to 375. And I believe the good temperature, well, they actually got a smoke dial too, so maybe that's where you just put it on smoke and leave it when you're doing thick meats like briskets and stuff like that. So see how this one works out, man, and might turn into a real smoker after this.
Stop it. Get some help.
This bad boy starting to smoke, man. Now I regret not getting the bigger one. I think I'll go ahead and take this over to my pops, man, and snatch up the longer one. Got one probably about 2 feet longer than this, because this thing I already see it's gonna work phenomenal, man. So right now I'm at the stage I'm just waiting to see until some flames start coming out of there. I see the wood starting to get lit. Once that happens, I can go ahead and power him down.
Few moments later.
I got them going. And when you look at these, you can see which ones are smoking harder, man. The way I normally do it, just on the barrel, and soak my wood. I like to use that apple wood. Lift him up. But my uncle did give me some game on keeping the charcoal just all the way over to the left side or the right side of the grill. That way you don't have charcoal underneath all your meat, to where you got to sit and wait 20-30 minutes like I normally do to have it cool down before I throw my meat on there. The Traeger is smoking, but it's more like a controlled temperature. Like that's holding at about 185. And these are hovering around 300. So I got all the ribs on there, 21 slabs of those damn baby backs. Figured I'd do the ribs first, pull them off, cut them up, line them up in my metal pans, keep them in the warmer inside the house, and then I'm gonna run that chicken through here, relight all the grills, new charcoal, smoke out all the chicken. That takes longer. And then come in last with the links and burgers for the kids. Went on and decided, like I said, to stay home and just miss the beach day today. Wifey was hot, but shit, they already packing up on their way back home. We only had the room from what, 12 to 4. Wait for this guy to show up and deliver this little porta potty, man. One of my partners, it's the business that he has, renting these. I actually been thinking about getting one myself. He does a lot of business like with the movie and film industry, where he rents these things out to people, man. So we got the women's side over here, and then on the men's side, got the urinal and the toilet. These are some real nice units. Power, music, lights. I always like to just have that whenever wifey have too many people over here, man. When you talking about 40, 50 people, that is entirely too much use on the toilet in the house. That thing back there gets clogged up because somebody is putting too much paper from wiping their tail in there. You could easily get that one cleaned out, opposed to having a plumber come out here and have to clean out the whole plumbing line. You know what I'm saying? 50 people is a little bit excessive, man, on the shitter. Let's go, Clucky. What you gonna do?
You can't tell him. Damn, Clucky. Woo! Thank you, Bob.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. You out of there wet? He got you? Yeah. Uh-oh.
That's not. There you go. Now.
Watch her, Clucky. She's a genius.
There you go. There you go.
They gonna kick you out the casino, huh?
Now I know everybody's familiar with the stepping game. Yeah, from the mud man. But y'all know I had to go and do a remix and put it on the chocolate thing. Yeah. So the stepping
We still
game
vlogging.
is the same
Young
game.
Stacy Scratch right there. They ain't seen her in years.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, sing. Step, step, side to side, round and round, dip it now, separate, bring it back, and let me see you do the love slide. Step, side to side, round and round, dip it now, separate, bring it back, and let me see you do the love slide.
She a trip right there. She a trip, y'all. Young anesthesiologist, huh? That's what she said to be, right?